Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Lemokey L3, a TKL layout wireless custom mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the community. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium experience with its full metal construction, wireless capabilities, and a host of customizable features. Right out of the box, the Lemokey L3 makes a statement. The full metal body gives it a substantial weight and a premium feel that you immediately notice. It's clear that Lemokey didn't skimp on materials here. The model we have here comes with Gatron banana switches, known for their tactile bump and smooth travel, and they feel fantastic. One of the standout features of the L3 is its wireless connectivity. It supports both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.1, allowing you to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between devices is seamless, making it a great option for those who juggle multiple computers or tablets. The 2.4 GHz connection boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate, which translates to virtually no lag, a crucial factor for gaming and fast-paced typing. Customization is where the Lemokey L3 truly shines. The hot swappable PCB allows you to easily swap out the switches without any soldering, making it simple to experiment with different switch types to find your perfect feel. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, letting you personalize the look of your keyboard to match your setup. The double gasket design provides a comfortable and dampened typing experience, reducing noise and minimizing harsh bottom outs. This, combined with the quality of the Gatron banana switches, makes for a keyboard that's a joy to type on for extended periods. Lemokey also offers intuitive key remapping through a web browser interface. This makes customizing your key layout incredibly easy, without the need for complicated software. Whether you want to create custom macros or simply remap a few keys, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. The Lemokey L3 is compatible with Windows and Linux, making it a versatile option for a wide range of users. The inclusion of a knob adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to control volume or other settings with ease. However, the premium features come at a cost. The Lemokey L3 is definitely an investment, but for those who value quality, customization, and performance, it's a worthwhile one. The heavy-duty construction, wireless capabilities, and customizable features make it a standout in the crowded custom keyboard market. In conclusion, the Lemokey L3 is a top-tier wireless custom mechanical keyboard that delivers on its promises. It's well-built, highly customizable, and a pleasure to use. If you're looking for a premium keyboard that can keep up with your demands, the Lemokey L3 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.